On 17th of November, we launched in the House of Commons the NAEA Licensed Estate Agency Scheme. That's a very exciting day for us. And what you need to remember, of course, is that at the moment, anybody can act as an estate agent. There is no qualifications required, there's no insurance, anybody can put a sign above their door. We think that's appalling, and we feel that the consumers deserve better than this. So for the first time, as we roll out this licensing scheme, it will mean that if you go into an estate agency office and you are dealing with an NAEA licensed agent, then you will know that at least one person in that branch is qualified and belongs to us, but very importantly, at least one of their bosses is as well. And that actually gives you as a consumer greater protection, because if something goes wrong, you can come to us and we'll look into the problems for you. So it gives you a choice. You in the future will either be able to use any estate agent, or you'll be able to start looking for a licensed NAEA agent. Around the rest of the world, people look at me in astonishment when I say that anybody can set up in the UK. Most other countries have formal licensing. There are controls on estate agents. Over here, it's not the case at all. I have to ask you the question, would you these days get into an unlicensed taxi cab? Probably not, or you would think twice. What we want you to start doing is saying in the future, if you are dealing with somebody who's looking after your biggest asset, your property, that you ask them the question, are you a licensed NAEA estate agent? Of course, I get asked, why has the NAEA launched this? Why should it not be a national government licence? I absolutely agree with that. It should be a national licence, but the government, unfortunately, have decided that that's not something they want to look at. They don't perceive it's necessary. We disagree. So rather than just waiting to try and persuade them, we've actually got on with it, and we believe we are going to be delivering something to the consumer which will benefit them, which will protect them, and will be the way forward for the industry.